How to use Poshmark Closet Clear Out feature. To use the Poshmark Closet Clear Out feature, first of all, you must lower the price of any listed items by at least 10% during an active Closet Clear Out promotional event. First things first, you simply have to wait for an official event day. Poshmark hosts Closet Clear Out events multiple times a week, most commonly on Fridays and Sundays. Now you simply have to open your Poshmark application and then look for the bright promotional banner on the feed or notification tab confirming that Closet Clear Out is currently live. Now you simply have to drop your prices by at least 10%. Go to your closet and tap on the item you want to clear out, tap Edit in the top right corner, then tap Prices and lower the amount by at least 10% compared to the item's lowest historic price. Now you simply have to tap Save and Submit it. Once you do this, Poshmark will instantly alert your item's likers. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.